Good afternoon, this is Elliot at Kingsbridge Automotive. Today we are having a quick look around our new into stock Polo GTI, little pocket rocket, finished in that beautiful Reef Blue, I think it is. Always works well with the Mars red accents that you get on GTIs. Not too dissimilar to the lapis blue of old. Really nice finish. So yeah, we've got the gloss black and cut 18-inch alloys. And condition wise, looks really good. Really good. I mean, it has covered less than 9,000 miles, so yeah, you'd expect it to be really good. So, obvious bit of spec, panoramic roof. Very hard to find these things with a pan roof. And the contrast black roof as well, look, there you go. So keyless entry, which I personally cannot do without anymore. And as you can see, condition wise, it's the same story in here as it is with the exterior. It's really nice. Got those Art Velours seats, or Alcantara, depending on who you ask. The seats are heated as well. I think I'm right in saying we've got a reverse camera too. There you go. Yeah, again, not all specced with that. Nice thing to have. Obviously, even though it is a very small car, it does make it a little bit easier to maneuver. So yeah, nice little thing indeed. There you go, our Reef Blue Polo GTI. New into stock. They never ever last long, these, so if it is something you are after, get in touch. It's one owner, it's got full history. What more can you ask for? Very low mileage as well, as I've already said. So yeah, give us a call on 01138 702 300 if it's the one for you. Thank you very much for watching.